I didn't know that in Muffle Mountain there was a secret that Burnett had shared only with his childhood friend, Tasha.
One day, Tasha, I'm going to drive this engine, and I'll take you with me.
Promise you will, Burnett. Promise.
I promise.
This engine was vital to the magic that held these worlds together, but only Burnett knew that.
Hello, Shining Time Station Manager Stacy Jones speaking. Oh, yes. The 10:15 from Pelican Falls to Shining Time is right on schedule. You're welcome. The 10 o'clock to Lucy's Leap is leaving now. Oh, Billy, I found this child's drawing in an old locker in the Lost and Found. Look at the signature, Billy. Burnett Stone. It's hard to believe Burnett could have ever looked that happy.
Oh, Burnett had a wonderful smile. And he loved railroading, too.